It's now only 7 days left from the NEET PG. It's on 30th August. How you can quickly revise your integrated topic. This is a very small video to tell you that it's not necessary you follow these steps, but this is just a way you can revise the integrated topic, because as we are expecting this time that majority of question will be image based and there will be clinical correlation and the integration with radiology, images, medicine, surgery combined. So this is one example I'm telling. Like firstly in the CVS you can read cardiac cycle first from the physiology, then you can go for pharma drugs like antiarrhythmic drugs or other cardiac drugs, and then can read ECG and arrhythmia later on, and then practice your previous year questions. Definitely ECG questions come every year. And now second is, instead of completing the full subject at the end time, you can divide your topic as organ wise or systemic wise. Like system wise you can divide renal system or respiratory system, CNS. This way you can cover the topic. And among anatomy, like you can read upper limb, lower limb from the anatomy, and then go for the ortho. From the ortho you can read these fractures and then see the images by reading your chapter from the radiology. And the next is the LFT, liver function test. Among the liver function tests, you read from physiology like jaundice first, and then read from pathology, and then before reading, because medicine is too vast to read organ wise, so you read radiology first and see the images properly, and then go for other topics of medicine and surgery like hepatitis and alcoholic liver disease, because we are assuming that question will be integrated. Now next you can go on to the renal function test. It's better if you can at this time, even if you don't read it from physiology, you can read any diagnostic textbook first. That one book I can suggest is Kothalkar, that has renal function test, a chapter, a very good 3 to 4, I guess 6 to 7 pages chapter is there, but it has a very good diagnostic test. That's why you can integrate your topic. Then read proteinuria and difference between nephrotic and nephritic syndrome. Then you go for reading pathology, especially glomerulonephritis and the images. Then read radiology and the images, and then go for medicine when you read renal function test or renal system. Then next is the CNS, a very important. Firstly, definitely you should go and read it from, like revise it from anatomy, the Netter's book, and then read head and neck and ANS from the anatomy itself. And then you can read physiology, the UMN, LMN pathways and the different sensory and the motor pathways. Firstly read from physiology, then read those upper motor neuron lesions and lower motor LMN lesions from the medicine, and then look at the radiology image, tumor, etc. Other subject like gynae, PSM, micro, you can revise notes because these subjects need complete full revision. So all the best for the exam. Thank you.